Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Think of a scenario where you are using a sniper rifle and you are engaged in a close quarter combat, but a knife cannot be used due to the distance. If you have a sidearm in the form of a revolver or a pistol, think the implication and the lethality the weapon could have on the opponent and the place of advantage it places the player. In today's video we have showcased a few options for airsoft pistols and revolvers that are not very expensive and are manufactured by a wide range of companies. Today the topic of our review is the secondary weapons best airsoft pistols under $200. The importance of secondary weapons might seem negligible to others on the outside of the arena, but its impact is very important to the players in the arena. There are a lot of airsoft pistols on the market, but not all airsoft pistols are ideal for every user. Here you would find the best airsoft pistols under $200.
Stephanie here from the SIG Air Division at SIG Sauer. Let's talk about our ProForce 229 air pistol. Now our ProForce line is one of our most practical and tactical lines. It is our new training platform, if you will, from SIG Sauer. And what I mean by that, by definition, is that this airsoft mimics one-to-one the firearm counterpart. So it allows for the same weight, balance, and feel as what the 229 firearm has. In particular, this P229 airsoft pistol was picked up by the U.S. Coast Guard, and that really does allow them for optimal training, proving its superiority. Let's go into some of the features about it. It is a blowback CO2 airsoft. It does lock back on the last shot, just like your firearm would. As you see here, the hammer is cocked. It does have a decocker, just like your firearm would. So you can practice what you preach and make sure that you're really honing in on your drills at home if you don't have time to make it onto the range. These are really great practice and training mechanisms for that purpose. So up next, if you come to the front here, we do have a Picatinny rail, just like your firearm, so you can apply any accessory that you feel fit, flashlight, laser, whatever you have fun with. If you move down to the magazine, it is a drop mag, which is great for practicing drills as well. That is a 23-round magazine, so it does very much simulate your firearm mechanism as well. The final feature of this product would be the trigger. It does have a double action, single action trigger, just like your firearm counterpart would, so you can practice on, my friends.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.